Okay, so here I was attempting to get a top speed. I don't know how successful I could have been running on a dirt track with several bumps. But anyway, um, I did top out at 39 miles an hour. When I hit 39 miles an hour, um, there was quite a few bumps ahead of me, so that kind of defeated the purpose of trying to go any faster. So my tack was hitting 4,500 RPM, so I think that's probably the uh, the highest I want to run it. So here's a little quick video of the mirrors. They seem to work really well. Not much vibration at all. It's interesting feeling the torque kick in. You could definitely feel it in your seat. About 4 seconds after acceleration, you could actually feel the torque hitting the peak torque. You could actually see it. You could hear it in the engine, and you could also see it in the dirt being flung by the tires. I actually denoted like a now to where you could see the tires kicking out more dirt from the extra torque. Torque converter is set to engage at 2200 RPMs. We've got the medium rollers and stock spring. The Predator 420cc is spec'd for maximum torque at 2500 RPM. But I think it's still engaging a lot lower than 2200 RPM, because when I accelerate on idle, I start moving before it hits 2200 RPM. But anyways, I could probably bump up to medium springs, medium rollers, and with the red springs, which would engage into the torque converter at 2600 RPMs, which would give me a little bit quicker takeoff.